This video will introduce our recent work, visual prompt tuning. We started this project by asking, how do we adapt large pre-trained models, such as transformers, to a variety of downstream tasks in terms of effectiveness and efficiency, so the community is prepared for larger and larger model architectures to come in the near future, like what has happened in the NLP community. We categorize the established transfer learning protocols into these three groups based on the scope of the tuning. The most popular one is still full model fine-tuning, which updates all the model parameters. It's the foundation of many state-of-the-art systems. But the main drawback of full model fine-tuning is that you need to store a different copy of the entire model for each downstream task you want to fine-tune on. What are the advantages of these head or backbone-oriented methods? By tuning a smaller amount of parameters per task, only a single copy of the frozen backbone is needed. We propose to insert tunable parameters in the input space, inspired by the recent development in NLP. Similar to the head and backbone-oriented method, VPT enables us to adapt large models efficiently. How about performance? We show that inserting tunable parameters in the input space can achieve strong performance, beating full model fine-tuning 20 out of 24 cases with less than 1% of the parameter needed. Specifically, we studied two variants, VPT deep and VPT shallow. VPT can uncover the underlying manifold structures for the downstream tasks without updating the backbone parameters. Comparing to full model fine-tuning, VPT deep can produce linearly separable features with only tiny amount of tunable parameters. We have shown that VPT can generalize to a wide variety of backbone architectures. This video, however, will focus on the plain vision transformers. Specifically, we want to dive deep into this plot. It contains 24 wide range of downstream vision recognition tasks. The table here presents the numerical results of the fine-tuning experiments. We observed that VPT deep outperforms full model fine-tuning on 3 out of 4 problem classes, while using significantly fewer total model parameters, indicating that even if storage is not a concern, VPT is a promising approach for adapting larger transformers in vision. VPT deep also outperforms all the other parameter-efficient tuning protocols across all the task groups, indicating that VPT deep is the best fine-tuning strategy in storage-constrained environments. Although suboptimal than VPT deep, VPT shallow is still a worthwhile choice in deploying multitask fine-tuned models if the storage constraint is severe. An important distinction between VPT and the other method is the extra learnable parameters introduced as inputs for the transformer layers. We ablate different choices on how and where to insert the prompts into the input space and how they would affect the final performance. We found that the default prepending prompt to the input embedding sequence performs the best. Please refer to our paper for more experiments and analysis. We hope that our work will inspire future research on how best to tap the potential of large foundation models in vision.